guys, we're gonna have some fun today. We're gonna make these pumpkin spice donuts with protein frosting, low sugar strudel on top, and a drizzle of some delectable chocolate. And these really whip up so easy and so fast. So let's go get them mixed up. And making these is pretty simple. What we're gonna use today for this is 2 scoops of our protein baked goods mix. We're gonna use 2 scoops of our pumpkin spice seasonal Formula 1. This is a limited edition, so if you see this wild pumpkin spices available, you wanna get as many as you possibly can if you like this flavor. Because when it's gone, it's gone. Hopefully they'll bring it to us again next year, but we never know for sure. So if you love it, get it now while you can. So we're going to use 2 scoops of this. We're going to use a little bit of cinnamon, an egg, some basic baking powder, and water. That's all there is to it. So we're going to get this all mixed up. Okay, now this is all mixed up. We're gonna spray our molds here. This will make 3 donuts, so I'm gonna spray 3 donut molds. And you just split this into 3 the best you can. The more evenly you have it split, the better they're gonna bake, but it's not a big deal. Okay, now we're gonna put these in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes, and I'll show you what we'll do next. And here they are, fresh out of the oven. Now we're gonna take these out of here and put them on a plate so that we can frost them. And sometimes I like to put this side up, the part that was at the bottom, just because it's prettier, but it turned out pretty good on the top this time. So just pull these out. Obviously I've let these cool just a little bit. They're still pretty hot, but wouldn't be able to handle them like this if I hadn't let them cool just a smidge. All right. And now I have prepared here some of the frosting made with our vanilla protein drink mix. I've also put a little bit of powdered peanut butter in here, so this is gonna have some peanut butter topping here on the top. And as always, you can find the recipe and exact instructions for how to do that linked here with this video. But I'm just gonna spread a little bit of this around the top as a frosting so it feels a little bit more like a donut when I eat it, because I like frosted donuts. And again, you guys, all 3 of these donuts is your shake. So, I mean, when someone says your weight loss plan has to be boring and dull, you'll actually laugh, because these are delicious. Okay, now I'm gonna spread this around just a little bit, and I'm gonna put some of our homemade strudel on top, which you can also find linked in the description exactly how I did that. Super clean, really no sugar, and delicious. And how's that?